All right, so the next type of resource that we're going to look at is business terms. And business terms are synonyms, and you can think of them as nouns which are specific to your business. And there is not really any way for a chatbot to know that those two are synonyms or those two are like the same, they represent the same meaning. Now, I think that business terms are inspired by the concept of entities in Dialogflow, and the entity concept is available in all the other bot frameworks also. It's not just unique to Dialogflow, but the business terms which are defined in Zoho Answer Bot, they are not really as powerful as the entities that you find in the actual bot frameworks. But I think that it's basically a good way to see if you can associate multiple terms which are actually similar to each other and help improve the accuracy of your bot. So to as an example, the word entity itself is something of a synonym to business terms. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go to the answer bot, and before I do that, let me show you the FAQs, and you can see that there is this FAQ called what are business terms. So let me first type that, what are business terms, and you can see that it comes back with a long response. Business terms are a collection of similar jargon terms, etc. Now if I were to try what are entities, we find that it comes with a response, sorry, I couldn't find any resource. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into this business terms section. I'm going to add this entity as the business term, and then I'm going to say business terms,